Good evening, welcome back to In the Khud, 22nd November 2022, 7:28 p.m. In the Khud, in the tired Khud, almost dead Khud. So to sum up, the whole day today was primarily dad's work, heavy. Although I have to mention that there was 1.5 hour worth of a meeting with the team for the full-time job, discussed a lot of things and stuff. So I'll start from the beginning. I woke up at 6 o'clock. There is always this, even when things get back on track, there is this half an hour to 1 hour of fluctuation, like 5:36, 6:30. As long as we're in that range, we're good. I took Snowy down and oatmeal. Initially, my target was summing up queries still unsolved for show 1, show 2, 110 episodes. Show 2, 5 episode making plus uploading. Show 3, 20 episode uploading. That was the aim when I started working on it. Basically, I don't really think I can go into the details of what it is and how it is, and it won't even make sense because there's a lot of lack in context here. I was working a lot. Then took the nap at 10:08. Then the meeting with the team started off at 1 and then lasted till 2:30. It was basically a critique session where I asked everyone, including myself, to show the past work they've done in a month or so, and then we discussed how we can make it better. In the end, I also made sure that they know that for the next 3 days, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I have 5 days of holiday now, which is like just perfectly timed right now because I do need that much time to work on dad's work and bring things to an even level of sorts. So I made sure that I communicated that, and it's not me who's the team lead, it is the timesheet that is the team lead for the video team. Yeah, that was a statement I made. So there were a few communications with the production house, and with obviously dad was also involved in those, and we gave them a timeline, like by the end of this week there'll be 50 episodes done for each show uploaded to the portal, because from the back end things have sorted out now for show 1 and portal entries are happening, portal submissions are happening. So 50 episodes each. Show 1 and show 3 should not be that difficult because I've already made those. I have to just log them on to the portal. Show 2 is going to be a bit of a task because I have to make those 30 to 50 episodes from scratch, and I'll be making them plus logging and uploading them at the same time. So yeah, I'm clearly very tired and I don't want to extend this beyond 5 minutes. I did make one video for the full-time job. It was just motion tile, things moving in the background, very basic stuff. I don't even want to show it. Now, small things I've learned. We know that window plus left arrow plus right arrow sticks your current window to either one of the sides, right? But if you do shift window and left arrow, right arrow, you're actually throwing the window from one screen to the other screen like a ball being tossed from here to there. All of these things I just learned by mistake. I was to press window right, but by mistake shift was held, so it just went to the other screen. I'm like, how did it just go to the other screen? Turns out shift was held on. That was one nice small thing learned. Yeah, now I'm gonna go to the gym and do legs because it's Tuesday, and legs is my favorite workout because you really get into it, and it's just a lot of fun to work out lower body. That's it for today's documentation. Now I'm gonna meet you tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna start the real grind for the next 5 days at a stretch. Oh my god. It's gonna be challenging. It's gonna be challenging in the sense it's gonna be very mentally exhausting. It's not gonna be creatively challenging. I might have to address a few queries here and there, but then that is gonna be a lot of repetitive work, like data entry. That's essentially what it is. So yeah, mentally very exhausting 5 days coming up, and I wouldn't say I'm excited for it, but I'm looking forward to it because I wanna get this thing done. It's been like looming around my head for a while now. That's it. Thank you so much for being in the Khud. I will catch you tomorrow. Peace.